Now it is given to evaluate minus 2 by 3 to the power of minus 2 and the whole power is 2. Now you can solve this in two ways. Okay, the first way I am telling you here, like minus 2, what we have studied, if the exponent is negative, then how to make this as positive? By taking the reciprocal of it. Okay, so we are having here minus 2 by 3, so we can write here minus 3 by 2. Now minus can be there in the numerator. You write minus in the numerator or with the denominator, it will be remaining the same. Now minus 2, so we will take the reciprocal of it, so 3 by 2, and here the exponent will become positive and the whole, it will be square. Okay, this will be the same I have taken. Now we have to simplify it. So what law we have used here? The law which I have used here is a to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. That means to make this power positive, how are we writing? 1 by a. Now we have used. Now we know that the law, again one law we know, that is a to the power of n whole power m gives us a to the power of n into m. This we have studied before. The same way we will be doing this. Minus 3 by 2, this is minus, then 2 into 2, I am directly writing here 4. So using this law. Now what does it mean? Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Since we are taking negative integer, it should be always written in the bracket. Okay, divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2. Why? Because we know the law, a to the power of n by b to the power of n. We can write it as a by b whole power n. Yes, so already it is given in this form. So we are simplifying and writing in this form to further simplify to get the final answer. Now 3 into 3, 9. Okay, now 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Yes, now sign will also get multiplied. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus plus. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now in the class what I said you, that says 4 is an even number, so we have not written minus there. Directly we wrote plus. Why? Because any negative integer, suppose it is 2, yes, is having power even, like here in the case of 4, even, then the answer will be always positive. Okay, the answer will be always in positive. But if the power of negative is odd, then the answer will be always negative. So for that purpose I wrote it directly. Now another way which I am telling you that can be used to solve it is minus 2 by 3 minus 2 then whole power 2. So here directly we can use this law. Yes, we can use first that law. That means I can write minus 2 by 3 minus 2 into 2. What will be giving me? Minus 2 by 3 minus 2 into 2 will be giving me minus 4. Now to remove negative from the power, what we do? We take the reciprocal. So minus 3 by 2 to the power of 4. Now again what does it mean? Minus 3 to the power of 4 and 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so again the same way we can simplify. So either you write minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, or you can directly write 3 into 3 into, because the answer will be always in positive. I hope you understood it. Okay.